Today we are looking at an advanced testing of the buy-sell signal indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the buy-sell signal indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 91 different strategies, with 27 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. We've also tested a total of 908 indicators, with 379 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 102 of the winning indicators. 36 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we tested most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the buy-sell signal indicator. And the indicator itself is pretty easy. We basically have these buy and sell tags, very similar to how the name explains it. And so in the original testing, this did 26 trades within the 1 year's time with an 80% win rate. And so in the original testing, of course, the way we tested it was when we got a buy signal or a buy tag, that was a signal to go long. When we got a sell tag, then that would be a signal to go short. And so, like I said, pretty simple. In the original testing, it was pretty simple, and in this one, we did it the same way. Now, before we take a look at the advanced test, if you would please give this video a thumbs up, even if it doesn't maintain the 60% criteria. We always want to keep YouTube happy, and YouTube likes when the videos get thumbs up. And so go ahead and do that now, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced test, and then we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what it was able to achieve on the advanced testing. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. Now, alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the advanced test here. And so in the advanced test, we did 50 trades like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 18 winning trades and 32 losing trades. It's going to put us at a 36% win rate. And so the interesting part was, in the original testing, it did 26 trades within the 1 year's time. And in the advanced testing, it didn't seem to be able to achieve the same number of trades. And so within a 1 year's time, it was averaging somewhere around 2 or 3 trades, or 2 or 3 signals. And so I wonder if the creator hasn't changed this indicator since we first tested it quite a while back. And so unfortunately, we did not save what the default settings were at that time, or how the settings were structured. And so what I've seen in the retesting stage is that when we go back to some of these indicators, the creators of those indicators have tweaked them, optimized them, updated them, whatever they might do to them. But it does appear that in some cases they do significantly change how the indicator acts, or the signals that it gives. And so I can't for the life of me believe that it was exactly the same as before, with it able to do 26 trades in 1 year's time before, and now consistently only doing 2 or 3 trades within 1 year's time. And so something's definitely changed on this, and unfortunately I don't really have a way to go back and see what did change. And so alright, that's it for this one. It is going to go on the no list now, and we will move on to the next video from here.